Hello everyone, Lisa from Epic Yarn Gems. Today is the day that we select the winner of our 2-year anniversary giveaway. For 2 years, we will be giving away two prizes. One is the Lion Brand box and the other is the Yarn Bee box. I will be selecting from the comments from the original video. Just remember that the winner has 14 days from today to contact me at epicyarngems@gmail.com with their mailing address so that I can get these great prizes out to you. Also included in the description is all the original rules and regulations on how to win. If I am sending internationally, you're responsible for the duties, taxes, and fees, etc. And lastly, thank you all so much for stopping by Epic Yarn Gems. I really appreciate all of your support. I love doing this, and I'm glad that others are enjoying the videos as well and learning a thing or two or maybe a new trick. So I do really appreciate it. Also, the gems say hugs and kisses to everybody. So I guess without any further ado, let's get that random comment selector going. So I recorded this just after noon today, and I put all of the information in of the link, got out the duplicate users, and the first drawing is for the lion. You had to have a lion in your comment to be entered for the Lion brand box. So we will get all of those comments, and then the next thing we're going to do is start that raffle and pick a random winner by hitting that big start button, and the name should start flying by here. There they go. And the winner is Debbie 12. Congratulations, Debbie. If you'll get me your information at epicyarngems@gmail.com, I'll be getting your prize out to you. Congratulations. Here is the yarns that were in the box. So let's move on to the second winner. So for this one, your keyword was bee, B-E-E, for the Yarn Bee box. There was also some red heart yarn in there, but a couple um, Yarn Bee yarns. So we're going to get the comments for that, 281 for this one. Then we are going to move on down to that big start button again for our second winner. So let's get those names flying by and see who the winner is. It is Janice Ufer. I'm sorry if I mispronounced your name. Please correct me. But you are the winner, Janice. Did I say Jennifer first? Anyway, it's Janice. Janice Ufer. So Janice, please contact me at my email with your mailing information, and I'll be happy to get your prize out to you. Here is a picture of the box. And as always, peace, love, and happiness to you all. Take care, and thank you so much for your continued support of Epic Yarn Gems.